Hey guys, welcome to the Whimsical Workshop. I have another unboxing for you, so let's get started. Yay! Alright, so I received this box from QT Fabrics, and it is fabric for another project that we designed with them, and I'm really excited to open it with you and share the fabrics. And then in a later video, I'll give you a tutorial on how to make our quilt from this fabric. So without further ado, let's open this guy up. All right, first of all, it was wrapped in a ton of shrink wrap. It had banding on it because it came all the way from overseas. And I haven't opened it yet, so it could be something else, and this will be a very short video. But I'm pretty sure it's the fabric. This is a collection from QT Fabrics called Exotica. I know, kind of an interesting name for this collection. And, oh, yep, that's what's in this box. As you can see right off the bat, it is very bright and very exciting. So we're going to get this all open. But wow, that's a lot of box for a little bit of fabric. So let's pull this out. Get rid of that. And see what we got. So they periodically send our studio, the Whimsical Workshop, fabrics in a collection, and they say, could you design something to help promote this fabric, to sell it to the quilt shops, and in turn sell it to the quilters. So we do a lot of those jobs. If you haven't been following us here, my name is Heidi Pridemore. I own the Whimsical Workshop. My partner is my husband, Matthew, and we both design fabric and quilts and pretty much anything people will pay us to design. We do have a website, thewhimsicalworkshop.com. Make sure you check us out over there. You can also follow our newsletter and keep up with us on Instagram at Whimsical Workshop. They would not give me the word the. So in Instagram, it's Whimsical Workshop. All right, so let's take a look at these beautiful, beautiful colors. And the hand on this fabric is so soft. I am very excited to start working with it. All right, so first, let me show you the project we came up with for it. This is called Garden Lattice because the prints were so pretty and we really didn't want to cut them into tiny little pieces, though you could very easily do that and get a beautiful colored quilt. Matthew designed this one, and he kept it very clean and gives you resting between the prints. And the prints, as you will see, are very, very busy, so you do need to break it up with something if you don't want a super busy quilt. So he chose to use this. Let me see if I can get better light over here. There we go. He chose to use this beautiful cream with these little florals printed in them. And I'm not sure if they're part of the Exotica collection. No, this is a basic. This is one of their basics. This one's done from Dan Morris. It is just a beautiful piece to use. It gives you movement and a little bit of color without going totally solid, but it also will give us a resting place for this, and it's carrying through our floral theme. First up, we have this. Oh my God, any of these would be gorgeous as a bag. But first up, we have this beautiful pattern. I mean, the grid, the colors. I love the teal, the pink, and the orange. I never liked orange. I never liked it, but I always knew it had a place and stuff. And I don't know what it is, but the last 2 years I've turned into a total orange fanatic. So, you know, don't ever say, never say never. Okay, here's another one. This is beautiful corals and buttercup and the teals with the little Swiss dot in the back to give you some filler. You can see, I'm just gonna fan these out here. There we go. Now you can see what we're doing. And then this one was the one right on top. And this one is wispy. I consider it like wispy daisies. But now we're bringing in some of that royal blue, some olive. We're adding in a little bit more depth to the color and giving ourselves some darks and lights, which is just makes it sing. And it also will tie in with, I don't know the order of these, so I'm, you know, ties in beautifully with that one. Again, we've got our corals and pinks, but we're really dominating this with the darker background in the teals and the greens. I mean, it is very vibrant. It is very, very pretty. This is my cup of tea for sure. And then we have this guy, which I'm just checking. Yeah, these are all different prints with the same color palette, which is why he did the columns of the square triangles. It really makes sense now. So there we go. We've got that one. And then we have another dark with those. You can again see how much dark blue you need just to make those little pops of flowers come right off that fabric. And then finally he used another basic. This one is, let's see if this is also a Dan Morris. Yes, this is another Dan Morris. This looks like little wedding ring blocks, but this, coming back over here, is the accent. So he went with the cream to break up those beautiful florals, and then he dropped in a splash of color, a cooler color, so it doesn't take away from our beautiful fabrics, but he just gave you a little zigzag. So the garden lattice pattern is what I'll be doing the tutorial on. This is the absolutely beautiful Exotica collection. I hope you've enjoyed this quick unboxing of these luscious colors. We're just going to flip through one more time, and then we're going to say goodbye. So we've got our teal, our beautiful floral, a cream floral. This one may be my favorite. Could you see this in a bag? That would just be stunning. Bags are on my brain, so maybe you'll be seeing some bag videos. Then we got that one. The beautiful daisies. Oh, no, this is my favorite. This is still my favorite. I just love this. I could have like 10 yards of this and do a million things with it. I just love it. And then finally we have our beautiful basics. So leave me a comment below. Let me know, what do you think of the new line Exotica from QT Fabrics? I'm so excited to share this with you along with our tutorial. As always, I want to thank you for watching and have a good day. See you next time.